And here come the Hoover Buccaneers. Second down, Carter's going to throw the football. Looking over the middle of the field, he's got his man. Makes a move at the 40, gets inside the 35-yard line. That's Josh McGee, and what an excellent gain right there. Angel's going to give it straight ahead to Walsh Ware. He breaks the tackle, but he goes down. Instead, it's going to be a give to Ware, and he is upended right there by Leon Carlton. What an excellent play, nice aggressive pursuit, and Carlton brings down Ware for no gain. Going to go deep down the right side. What a great throw, and it is complete. Down the left sideline, he's got Humphrey. He's going to give it straight ahead. Nothing doing right there. Outstanding pursuit. Bostic again. He is brought down right there by Sterling Young. They're just going to give it straight ahead to Angel, to Ware, and he is going nowhere. Quick pass out to Duchak, and Sterling Young is all over that play. Carter this time going to Gerald Bryant. Catches the ball in the slant.